So what's up guys, my name is Rayan and you are watching ISO course for video. So today in this video I am going to be showing you how to fix every app store problems like cannot connect to app store or cannot download this app or service unavailable at the moment. So it's very easy to fix. So first tip is to go over here, media and purchases, sign out, make sure you know the password. So let's just sign out. As you can see, sign out and click continue if it's the same app ID as the mentioned app ID like over here, and if it is not, click not, but mine is the same. So let's just click. As you can see, it's processing. So let it sign in. So what this does is it disconnects your phone from the Apple's App Store server and reconnects it using your Apple ID. So as you can see, when we come over here, it's connected to server, App Store server again. And the next step is to go over to General, Reset, and click Reset All Settings. So this also does the same thing, but it will connect you to a new server which is nearest to you. So, and the next thing is you gotta come over here to App Store, click on account and click on the profile and let it load. So as you can see here, come over here, manage payments. So if you have a like here, as you can see my payment methods. So if you have any cards or something, you gotta just remove it and add it again, because if you have subscriptions you cannot do and you cannot remove cards. So what you have to do is you have to add funds. As you can see, I have 32 dirhams of Qatar. So you gotta add funds to Apple ID and you can just remove that and add it after like 1 day or 2 days. So, and the last tip is just quit the App Store from here and force restart. You can do that by volume up, volume down, power button, as you can see, and you can just shut it down and open it after half an hour. What it does is it will clear all the caches of the all apps after 30 minutes if you restart. So that's a quick method, and this has been my video. My name is Rayan and you were watching Asakor. Peace.